Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method. So a simultaneous equation is equations involving two or more unknown values and they have the same value in each question. So for example here we have two unknowns, so x and y, and they have the same values in both equations. So the x in the first equation and the x in the second equation has the same value. Similarly, the y in the first equation and the y in the second equation also have the same value. So let's have a look how we're going to do this. So step 1, make sure the coefficient of one of the variables is the same. So coefficient is a number in front of our letter. So the coefficient for x in the first equation is 6. The coefficient for y in the first equation is 1, and the coefficient for x in the second equation is 4, and the coefficient for the second equation for y value is 1. So make sure the coefficient of one of the variable is the same. So in both equations we have y is the same. Then step 2, we're going to eliminate this variable. So if we have same signs, so both are plus y, so same signs we're going to subtract. So we're going to subtract both equations. So 6x subtract 4x becomes 2x. Y subtract y becomes 0. 15 subtract 11 is 4. So we know x most equals to 2. Then step 4, substitute the value found into one of the original equations. So we can either substitute x value in equation 1 or equation 2. You still get the same answer. So I'm just going to pick equation 1. So I have 6 multiplied by 2, because x is now 2, plus y equals 15. So 12 plus y equals 15. So y most equals to 3. So we have our values x and y now. Then step 6, just check your values. So just put the numbers into the second equation to double check. So I have 4 times 2 plus 3, which is also equals to 11. So my x and y values are correct because the two equations have the same value.